So Liz, where are we going?
We're going to Kota Kinabalu.
Kota Kinabalu?
Yes. We're
For
going
what?
to climb Mount Kota Kinabalu.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay, before that, let's enjoy our meal. I'm having the crispy chicken with nasi lemak, lidah popiah, and oh, she's having Burger King. Okay, enjoy. About 2 hours later, we arrive Kota Kinabalu. What's that?
For travelers.
Okay. Okay, so we've cleared the immigration, get our bag, and
Check for money exchange.
okay, so we need to change
Then we do the
some
collar.
cash and then collect our car.
Yep.
Okay, so we have collected the car. It's a Proton Saga. So anyway, Liz is somewhere out there trying to find a money changer, and at the same time buying for us. There she is. She's gonna get us the parking coupons. Okay, so after this we are going straight to the hotel. It's called it's called the Gem Hotel Beaufort.
Hello. Back. Wait for a few things.
Okay, it will take us about 1 hour and 45 minutes, about 93 km from here.
Oh, 93 km.
Yeah.
That's long.
So are we ready?
Yes, see? We get a coupon. Woo!
Okay, so we have about 61 km to go, about 1 hour 5 minutes, and we've been traveling for the past half an hour to 45 minutes on roads like this. I think this is the Kampong Highway. I think so. So we maintain about 60 to 80, highest about 80 km per hour. .26 minutes to go and 23 km. We are still traveling at the optimum speed here, that is 80 km per hour. So 23 km to go, and we'll see you in Beaufort. Okay, so we have arrived after like almost 2 hours plus.
2 hours.
2 hours about there.
About there.
Okay, so we have arrived at the hotel, and not bad. There's a lot of shops and eateries here. Okay, so this is our car, Proton Saga. Finally, we made it to the hotel. Okay.
I'll show you something.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's the balcony.
You can go and meet every other
Oh, serious?
Is that a chalet
Oh,
style?
yeah. Yeah. This is our room. Somebody else's room, and actually we can socialize around this corridor, and we can exit from here also. Okay, cool. Alright, let's get inside and settle down. Okay, let's go and find some food. So, shall we? Satay. Okay, so we are having our first meal in Kota Kinabalu, and I'm having the nasi goreng ayam lalap or nasi goreng lalap. I think so. This is wonton ho, satay, mutton and chicken, rice cakes, omelette, and what do you call this?
Kalupis.
What?
Kalupis.
Kelupis. I have no idea what is it. Later we open one and see what's inside. So our first meal, enjoy.